everyone, I am here to showcase my project which is Tradable. Tradable is a blockchain based project. The tagline says the best platform to check gold tradability. So what do we mean by tradability? Let me give you an example. There are various countries in the world who try to import and export the gold. So what happens is there are smugglers in between who try to smuggle this gold to a particular country. So basic funda is they try to smuggle the gold from the country where the gold price is low to the country where there is high demand and where is high price. So they get the profit by reselling that particular gold. But this is the loss for the government of the country because it loses their money. So this is a huge problem to solve. Along with that, according to one CNBC article, it says that nearly 25% of gold which comes in India is through illegal smuggling, which is around 200 to 225 tons. And the loss which government incurs is more than 3000 crores. So we have to take an initiative to solve this problem. So I have made a project which is a blockchain based project to solve this particular problem. Now let's move on to the features of this project. So first feature is easy import export. So this project helps us to track import export, fast verification of the gold. We can catch the smugglers and ban the license of particular companies or smugglers, and there will be no unverified gold in the economy. So no legal tender will be given to the gold which is unverified. So this is the about us section, which says that Tradable is a platform where importers plus exporter can keep track of all the events starting from gold production, import, export and verification. Only the verified imported gold will be a legal tender in that country. So even if smuggler tries to illegally smuggle that gold into the country, he won't be able to sell that. This is the problem we have to solve. He should not be able to sell that gold in a particular country. So this will almost stop smuggling of gold and save government's money. So why choose this? We have a complete gold process tracking, easy and fast verification of gold. We have tried to decrease smuggling, easy import export, no legal tender to unverified gold, help nation boost the economy, catching smugglers and banning the license of faulty companies. So this is the about section. This is the consumer verification section, which we will come to it later. And this is the contact us section. So this was our landing page of the project. Now we move on to the export side of the project. So this is the gold export page where the exporter will try to input all those details of the gold which he or she is trying to export. So first is the production ID of the gold. What is that gold bar or gold dot? We give a unique production ID to each and every gold lot or bar. This is the unique ID. Now we add the quantity of the gold, which is 1 kg, and this is the source and destination country. So let's say the gold is coming from Sri Lanka to India. So these are the source and destination countries. Now we add the exporting license of the exporter. This is the exporting license. Now bill amount. So this was the bill amount. Now what we try is add these details and generate a QR code. So as you QR code is generated, about details will be disabled. Now you won't change these details. Now this QR code contains the encryption or encrypted details, and also its strong AES algorithm is used. Now this QR code will help us to verify whether the gold actually reached the importer or not. So first we'll try to publish this gold to IPFS, Filecoin IPFS, which is a decentralized storage. So I tried to publish it. So as you can see, your QR code has been successfully published on Filecoin IPFS decentralized storage. Now exporter will export the gold. The contract of this project is deployed on Polygon Mumbai testnet, and we will try to confirm the transaction. So the transaction is happening on Polygon Mumbai testnet. As you can see, the transaction happened and gold has been successfully exported. Now we move on to the consumer verification side, where even let's say the exporter has exported the gold. but some smugglers try to smuggle some part of gold, so it won't be able to sell that country. So this consumer verification page can be used by any consumer company, retailer or distributor to check the gold tradability. So verify whether the gold you are buying is smuggled or not. If you purchase smuggled gold, that gold won't be legal tender. Everything is recorded on blockchain, so think before performing any crime. So verify your gold here and then trade or consume it. So I add the production ID, which I exported but not imported. This is not imported, so let's verify whether it is. So it says that this is unverified imported gold, you can't trade this. So still it is not imported, it's just exported. Now I have to click the photo of this QR code, as this QR code will be printed while exporting. I don't have paper right now, otherwise it would have been printed. So this will help us in import verification. Now we move on to the import section, where importer will import the particular gold lot. So first is the importer will add the production ID which he has got. Now next step is importer has to verify the QR code which is printed on the gold sent by the exporter, which this will be compared with the gold which was stored to the Filecoin IPFS storage. So I have clicked the photo right now and I will just scan via my camera. So the gold is scanned, QR code is scanned. Now we will try to verify both these QR codes, the one which is on the Filecoin IPFS storage which is stored by importer, and the one which has reached to the importer. Because the thing this is the first step of verification. The thing which is we are doing this is because someone if tries to temper the QR code in between the transit, so this should not happen. So this the first both the QR codes should get verified here. So we try to verify the QR codes. As I click on this button, the verification process is going in background. It takes some time to verify. As you can see, you have got the QR code verification is completed successfully. Now enter the details. So now first step of verification is done. So the gold which is sent by exporter has reached importer with that particular QR code. No tampering has been done on the QR code. Now importer will input the details of the imported gold arrived for smuggling verification. So let's say importer tries to add some details which are not matching with the gold which was sent by exporter. So let's say he tries to add some less quantity 0.9, and from country let's say he adds another country and two countries India, and exporting license which was given by the exporter. And let's keep this also wrong, and bill amount also wrong. So it's like 3799 and 888. So even if now we'll try to verify whether the gold which has reached importer is true or not. So he will try to import. Now first if we add the wrong quantity, let's say it tries to smuggle some 0.1 kg of gold, so it says the quantity is not matching with the sent quantity, check for smuggling. So here only the transaction, the gold won't be improved. So now I keep the right quantity. It says that source country is not matching because it was the source country was Sri Lanka. So let's say I add Sri Lanka. Now yes, two countries, right? The exporting license not matching, check for fake exporters. There are various fake exporters, so each and every exporter has got a particular authority to find that license. So if we write this is the fake license, and now if we try to add right license, it will give verified output. And the bill amount is not matching, check for illegal smuggling. So bill amount, let's say person exporter is sent wrong bill amount, and we'll try to write the right wrong bill amount, and importer tries to enter wrong things, so this also won't happen. We are trying to add the right, and finally we verify the import. The details have been perfectly verified. You can approve the import. So after this 5 steps of verification, only the gold will be approved for the further transaction in the country. So now importer will add the importing license, which is IM 8571. This is a verified license for a particular importer, and he will approve the import. So as you can see, that contract is deployed on Mumbai testnet, and now we will approve this transaction. So this transaction happens in background, which is a blockchain based project. So every transaction is recorded onto the public ledger. So it may around take 5 to 7 seconds or maximum 10 seconds. So as you can see, the import goods successfully approved for market sale. Now we will again move on to the consumer verification side. So now gold has been improved. Now we will move to the consumer company and check whether the particular production ID of the gold is valid or not, and this gold is tradable or not. So I add the production ID, and let's click on verify. So as you can see, this is verified import gold. You are free to trade. So now this gold has gone various forms of verification by QR code and then all these details, and now you are free to trade. Before that it was unverified gold. Now this is verified gold. So this is the last part of this consumer verification. Now this is the contract page. This is my contract address of this particular transaction of this particular project, and this is on deployment Polygon Scan Mumbai testnet. As you can see, these were the last transactions which we did now. So this is the transaction hash, and this is the particular hash transaction done just 8 minutes ago. And again this is the transaction contract bytecode and transaction, and these are the events which are emitted from my contract. So this is the complete Polygon scanned page for my contract. This sums up the complete project demo. So last thing I want to tell is at least we can try to improve the solution, and we can also add some various functionalities, more forms of verification, and also like this will help to our government a lot. They save a lot of amount of money. Thank you for watching me.